What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got the 2013 Cadillac XTS again, and we are doing the brakes. That's what's going on. We got the rear brakes on this one, and you're gonna need a special tool to do this one. Slightly special tool that you can grab offline for a few bucks. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's put the jack up, and then we'll do the jack stand and go from there. All right, so now I got the wheels off and everything. This is one of the easier brake jobs to do. So, but like I said, the only thing you're going to definitely need is a special tool right here that I bought online, which is called, what is it called? Three-piece piston wind back kit. Of course, it comes with this piece, not that piece, that piece, and then this piece. So that's it, right? So of course, this is inserted here. And then this sits right there, and then of course you wind this up to tighten based on what's going on. And I'll show it to you right now, all right? Because I'm just going to half or 12 millimeter. That's what I'm gonna need. All right, so we'll open that, and after that's open, then all we have to do is here we go. I'll pull out the brake caliper. All right, so now that we have the caliper in the air, this is the piece, as you guys can see right there. So you see it? We need to have this piece inserted here, and then this goes inside. Of course, I gotta wind it down some more so I can have some more room. So I'll just turn it to the right, and then once that gets in, so we'll insert this under. We'll just put that here. Insert that inside. Well, hold on, that needs to go down some more. Let's back the camera up just a little bit more so you guys can see. All right, so as you can see, we got a better view from under there, how that works. And then up here on top, this might be a little hard to turn with the hand. So I just get my same 14 millimeter or half and just use that to help turn that thing, make the insert. And then that will keep driving the piston, screwing the piston back in until I have enough room to fit my new brake pads in right here. All right, so got that piston all the way back where I need it to be, so I have enough space now, and all I have to do is just basically remove these brake pads, the old ones, just insert those new ones. So one is in, and then the next one is so now it makes life easier. So once I sit this, it should just sit right over. Well, remember this piece, push in, squeeze, and then insert your 12 millimeter or half. That's good, tight. That's it. Just time to go for a test ride. So we'll just put this thing back together, put the wheels back on, and we'll catch you in the next one.